Welcome back, and in the last tutorial we were talking about the switch statement, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about arrays. So what an array is a special variable which contains which not contains but can store multiple values in one single variable. So if we wanted to store variables before, we would have just said name equals Enrique, and then name 2 equals Dan, and then name 3 equals Jerry. That's the way we would have done it. But since we are using arrays, we could have one single variable and have all these names added. For example, take this off and just write the variable name, and then after that write equals, not write type, and then just type array, and then semicolon. Inside your brackets, you're gonna put your values. So let's make 3, and our first value is going to be Enrique, Dan, and Jerry. Alright, so we just made our own array right here, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. You don't have to code a lot, just one line. And in an array, the first value, which is this, is always 0. So it doesn't start at 1, it starts at 0. So it would be 0, 1, 2. It will never be 1, 2, 3. It's always 0. Remember that, guys. And in order to call them out, it's a bit different. You can't just type echo name and save it, because you're gonna get a big fat error. Array, well, not error but array. The reason why is because your browser is saying, what the heck, it's an array, what do you want me to do? To specify what value inside the array do you want me to get. So in order to do that, we have to do the brackets, and inside the brackets we add the number that it's assigned to the value. For example, this is 0, 1, 2. So we want to call out 2 and save it, and it's gonna say Jerry. And then if we want to call out my name, put 0, and it calls it out Enrique. So as you guys can see, this is an easy way for you to store different kind of names, and it helps a lot, trust me. And another way you guys could assign these is by actually setting it. So for example, name is always 0, and we're gonna set this equal to Enrique, then set name 1 equal to Dan, then name equals equal Jerry, and this is gonna be 2. That's the way you would assign the index manually, but you don't have to. You could just do what I did and just echo it out like this, name bracket, and the variable not the variable but the number, the variable's number. So we want to echo 1 out, save, Dan. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.